Hello everyone. Today we're going to write the Hello World program again. Well, yes, but we're going to do it on the calculator itself. More specifically, I'm going to use an emulator that has the ROM from my calculator that I own, but that's just so that you have something to look at on the screen. Obviously, under normal conditions, you would actually just type this into your calculator. So I have talked before about this application called, I guess, Mimas. I don't actually know how to pronounce it, but you can get it off of ticalc.org. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a new program. We're going to call it Hello. Let's see here. Second alpha. There we go. Hello. Now I am on a computer, so I actually could type this on the keyboard, but I just want to show that you can press the buttons on the calculator, and there are a few different options here now as well. There's Ion. That's a little bit before me. Mirage. That's the heyday of when I use my calculator on a normal basis. It was all nerdy and carried in my pocket everywhere. Doors was a little bit after me. I remember when they were first developing it, and nobody said it was ever going to work, and it became a thing. Then there is the library. Others, I'm not exactly sure. I'm assuming it's a library, obviously, but we want to create an executable program. So we'll pick assembly, and we'll go into the main code section. So you can see we have our origin point, user mem -2. They are using the magic numbers. That's fine. I mean, that's not a huge deal. Now, obviously, for B calls, typing all this in might be a little bit of a stretch, especially if you don't remember all of them that are available. Handily, you can press the apps button, which is also the B, and it'll pull up all of the B calls that you can do. You just have to go through this enormous list. There is a ton in here. So I'm going to speed this up by hitting clear, and you can see the B calls in there, and then I'm going to just enter CLR. Oops, I didn't hit second alpha. CLR, and then actually, since I have a keyboard handy and you don't really want to see me, actually you might have to, because since I started this way, apparently it's locked in a special mode. In the future I'll try typing though, so you don't have to watch me do all this. Okay, after that we want to load A into 0. So the store button is sort of like load, right? Oops, that's the X key because I have second alpha. Wow, this is embarrassing. You get to see me make every mistake under the sun. Let's try that again. There we go. And we'll do A, comma, 0. All right, so next after that, what we're going to do is load A into the column and into the row. Let's see if I can type. There we go. So cursor column A, cursor row A. And after that, I'll move my cursor out of the way. You don't probably want to stare at that. We're going to load into HL. We called it hello string, which is fair. After that, we will do our B call for put string and B call for new line. Return, and we need our label. So if I press this little label button, oh, how handy is that? Hello string. Added a colon on the end, which automatically moved it over. Now you might be wondering, where on earth can I find the colon on here? And I believe if you click on zoom, which is the characters, let's confirm that it's in here. Looking, there it is. It's right after 9. So that's how you find that. All right, hello string. And after that, we're going to do db. And again, for the quote character, you can find that under the characters menu. Probably helps to, we'll just do in all caps, hello world, and comma 0. So this should compile now. Let's find out if we did it right. If we hit done, menu, we're going to compile the program. Allow PC, I'm assuming that means allow a PC to be able to see it. Not positive, but I think that's what that means, so we'll just switch that to yes. Program's compiled. Well, excellent. Let's get out of here. And we need to include our little assembly. Hello. Hello world. Done. Flashing cursor. I'd call that a success. So there you go. That is how to use Mimas on your calculator so that you can program in assembly on the fly. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, please like, all those fun YouTube things. Or I should say, please consider. I can't force you to subscribe. But I would very much appreciate it if you would. Anyway, that's all that I have for you today, and look forward to seeing you in a future video.